Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this Go Inspire look. I was indecisive today of which look to do, so what did I do last? I hit up my friends and asked them what they want to see, what could go down and about in their I'm just kidding. So I decided to do the skull look because the skull is a very classic look and I feel like we can get away with it every year. So yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so today we're doing video number 2 for Halloween. Today I'm going to be doing a skull look. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I kind of get inspired. At first I wanted to do something pinup, and I was like, no, I already did something pinup a few years ago, so I'm gravitating more to this photo. It's just so cool, and it's more my vibe. I like everything to be grungy, so that's why I want to do that. And I'm just putting concealer on. My face doesn't really need to match anything because we are going to get creative, and the concealer I'm using is by Benefit, and it's the Boing Cakeless Concealer. If I look pale, that's just part of the look that I'm doing. So yeah. Hey guys, so what I'm doing now is I am placing the eye skull with a eyeliner. I wanted to do that just because I wanted more control of the eye and how I wanted it. So you can use any black eyeliner, any liquid liner, any pencil liner to trace it and kind of figure out how you want your eyes. They don't have to be perfect because at the end of the day we're going to shade in black and do all this extra stuff to it. And also the mouth area where I'm going to have the teeth. This takes a lot of concentration because I kept like missing where I wanted it to be, but I finally got it after a second try. So next I'm going in with cream paint that I have from a Halloween store. So I'm doing this first so then I can place the powder on top so it will stay. And I'm using a flat brush to make sure that there is no fallout. And then we're placing it and packing it as we're placing the cream paint and the cream black shadow as well. So next I decided to do black also in my waterline, so I'm using actually a jumbo pencil from e.l.f. It's black, super black, and it's super creamy, so I wanted to use this to make the eyes just kind of sink into the skull eye. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's black, so it's kind of blending in with everything that we have going on. So then I decided to do a little bit of shading and then a little bit of white just to make everything pop a little bit and for it to look a little more realistic. And I'm using a small flat brush to make those details. And it doesn't have to be like really exaggerated. You could just do like little things here and there just to make things pop as you're placing them. And then we're going to start doing the skull teeth area. Again, we're gonna go and shade with the black. I'm still using a flat brush as well, like before. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're still going to do the same thing and make a black, but we're gonna go dark and start going lighter as we get closer to the mouth area. And then I'm going back with the eyeliner that I was using, and we're gonna start making the teeth and placing it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Take your time and place it where you want it, where you feel like you would like it the most. See, I don't know if you guys can tell I messed up a little bit, but it doesn't matter because we're going to shade and we're going to just do some cool stuff. And then I'm going to go back and shade it a little bit and place a little bit of detail as well, just like I did in the eye area. We're going to do it in the mouth area as well. And then I'm going back and using something like this to make it pop a little bit more and shade the black teeth. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be your preference and how you like certain things to be. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I got these stickers, skull, and they have teeth on them, so I decided to like cut the teeth separate and make it my own thing. So I'm literally just gluing the teeth. I cut them separately so I could put them separately the way I wanted to. It kept falling, so I was going back and forth trying to make sure the ones that I put on were sticking and the ones that I cut didn't like fall away because they were getting everywhere. But it all takes patience and time, so take your time when you're doing this. And yeah, you guys can see that it's like coming off, but just keep pushing it down and retouching them. So I did go with a black cream shadow, and I went back to kind of make it a little bit darker with the teeth being there, so everything just pops a little more. And I'm using a flat brush as well, an angle flat brush, and just shading and making little details to make the teeth pop since they're silver, so they do stand out on its own. But I just wanted to shade it with the black a little bit. So after that, I decided to do the nose. I didn't want the nose to kind of blend them out together, so I decided to do it kind of like separate and make one a little bit longer than the other one. And again, I'm using a black liner. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is going to be black. So just a reminder. And then we are going to go in with the flat brush and start shading and start putting everything together. And after we're done, I'm just going to create a little cracks in my forehead just to give it something extra for the skull look. And you could basically just tap it to make it more realistic and to smudge it. It doesn't have to be like perfect. And then I started shading it with an angle brush as well. It's like the white part that we have going on. We're going to shade it black to make it look extra cool. And we're also going to go back and place more white just to make it stand out and make it pop a little bit more. And I decided to put a little more black just to shade it more and just make things pop a little more. Give them more details around the nose area as well. And then I went back also on the teeth and placing that everything stays, and also on the mouth area. I also went back to use the white paint, not only in my forehead but also in my teeth, so it will stand out a little bit more. And after we're done with the face, I decided to do a little bit more black coming down my neck, just to make it look more dramatic and extra cool. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Happy Halloween. I will see you guys next time. And I can wait to show you guys my blog because I will be in Boston for Halloween. So stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.